Welcome to the first module on digital audio production. We're excited to guide you as you take your first steps into the realm of audio engineering and music production. This module is designed to equip you with the foundational knowledge and tools needed to create professional quality audio and music. In this initial module, we'll start from the very beginning. You'll learn the basics of what it means to create music and work with audio on a professional level. We'll explore the different aspects of audio engineering and music production, the typical equipment found in a home studio, how audio software functions, and how to craft your first mixdowns. This foundation will be crucial as you progress through the rest of the modules. Whether you're completely new to audio software or already have some experience, take the time to get comfortable with your tools and equipment. The more familiar you are with them, the easier and quicker it will be to achieve results you're proud of. Thanks to advancements in digital technology, creating and recording music has never been more accessible. But what exactly are the steps involved in digital audio production? That's the question we'll tackle in this module.